Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Doing the dance to find door number 15 and here we are. I've found it and what do we have? Oh no, it's the teeny tiny kitty. I'm so excited. We got the cat and look, my cat is loving this, has a new friend and is loving that new cat stand. Okay, let's get it out here. Oh my goodness, take a look at this cute little baby kitty. So cute. Open up the packet because I just cannot wait to build this. You are just too cute, little one. Yes, Mickey, you have a new friend. Let's put together the cat stand. Quite simple here. This is the little scratching post and look, it's got a little fluffy thing to play with. So little baby tiny kitty's coming to play with the little feather thing and I'll tickle it here because it's just too cute. Emma's come along because I think that will be her cat and my cat's bought a gift. Oh, friends, this is what Christmas is about, sharing. Sharing is caring. So I shall see you tomorrow for door number 16. See you.